The Rockville RXM64 6.5-inch car speakers deliver strong mid-range and mid-bass performance that easily cuts through road noise in a typical vehicle cabin. Their Kevlar reinforced cone and treated cloth suspension give these drivers a tight, controlled sound that stays clean even when you push the volume hard. A high sensitivity rating means they can get impressively loud with modest amplifier power, making them a good match for factory or aftermarket systems. The slim, open basket design with shallow mounting depth makes installation in most door and panel locations straightforward, even where space is limited. An integrated base blocking capacitor and included protective grills add convenience and durability, reducing the need for extra components during the install. Overall, these Rockville drivers are well suited for enthusiasts building a punchy front stage who want clear vocals and snappy mid-bass without stepping up to full competition gear.